Dogelonmars is about to see the craziest pump ever. Crypto is about to change as you know it. What's going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're talking about Dogelonmars and the whole crypto market as a whole, as bullish behaviors are happening for Bitcoin, and all these meme coins tend to follow the patterns of Bitcoin. Hence, this makes it so important for Dogelonmars to see what comes next. Before I start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below. We're so close to 2,000 followers. When we reach 2,000 followers, we're going to do a solid Dogelonmars giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Let's jump right into the video, taking a look at Dogelonmars and the crypto community as a whole. So a couple things I want to highlight real quick, guys. We are kind of in a red week. However, on the day we are recovering, we're seeing a lot of red across the board yesterday and looking like a lot of green has replaced the red, which is great to see. In terms of greed and fear index, guys, we have entered greed, which is kind of scary because for the past month or so now, we've been in extreme greed, extreme greed. And then we entered greed, went back to extreme greed, back to extreme greed, and now we're deep into greed. We're at 70.42, which again is not too crazy. If anything, that's actually pretty bullish. However, it's going crazy how it went from extreme greed to greed, so close to Bitcoin halving. Now here's the thing, the halving event, guys, is approximately 16 days away, and it's obviously going to change Bitcoin as we know it, as miners are going to have 50% less reduction. They're going to have 50% less rewards as well. So there's a whole fiasco about that as well. Concerns about safety. Will people stop mining? Is it going to be harder to mine? Yeah, there's a lot of that. But again, a lot of that is, in my opinion, could just be a little bit of FUD. But again, obviously, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But here's the thing, guys. A lot of institutions are now in the mix of crypto. And institutions tend to play around with money and do a lot of market capitalization techniques, which are not the most ethical. And I think now that there's so much large interest in crypto and how a lot of institutions are deep in crypto, they're trying to manipulate the markets. And I say that with so much confidence because we were seeing that with Bitcoin earlier today. It was dumping when there's no real reason for it to dump, you know, especially at a time where it should be bullish. We're seeing some selling. However, it's very strong resistance lines, guys. It's been holding the line at the $63,000 mark, being the absolute bottom for Bitcoin. But what second it hits that mark, it's like people have some buy limits to start buying right away. And again, we're just very bullish for Bitcoin. As for Dogelonmars, why are we bullish for Bitcoin? What does Bitcoin have to do with Dogelonmars? If Bitcoin pumps, Dogelonmars pumps. If Bitcoin pumps, meme coins pump. And the more money that comes into Bitcoin, the more money will come into Dogelonmars. Guys, we're down 1% on the day. We're down zero, almost basically nothing on the week. And on the month, we're still up a whopping 13%. Once we pass into the red, guys, and once some real money comes in, Dogelonmars is going to go absolutely ballistic. I keep pointing at this pattern, guys. And again, I can't wait for the future to refer back to these videos and say, I told you so, because we're here right now. Not even 50% close to previous all-time highs. And the bull market, typically, when we enter bull market, these coins passes previous all-time highs, if not the same price, but double, if not triple. So that being said, if you buy in Dogelonmars today and it goes to just as previous all-time high, nothing higher, you're making a solid 10, 15, potentially even 20x. That's why I'm so bullish on this project. Plus, you take into account for all the burns that are taking place. Rufus, which is about to launch, which is going to burn tons of tokens. If we have this market cap from the peak, incorporating with the burns and Rufus, Dogelonmars is going to hit prices that you've never expected it to hit. It's going to eat up a whole bunch of the zeros, and I'm so bullish. $1 trillion to flood Bitcoin price amid strong institutional rumors per analyst. Potential $1 trillion to enter Bitcoin market via institutional allocations to newly listed spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund was recently highlighted by Matt, the CIO of crypto index manager Bitwise, in a memo to investor professionals. Now, if they really do deploy $1 trillion into Bitcoin, the total market cap for the cryptocurrency as a whole is $2.5 trillion. So add another T to the mix. Bitcoin specifically are at a $1.3 trillion market cap. So it's going to basically double. That would basically mean we see $120,000 Bitcoin overnight. That would basically mean every single meme coin is going to pump like crazy. That means crypto will be all over the news and people will be pumping into the meme coins like we saw last bull run. Because we're not even at the peak of last bull run yet we're seeing peak prices. Let that sink in. A great way to compare this, and it's interestingly enough, is this is like March 2021. Right? We're at the beginning of the bull market, yet the prices for most projects like Shiba Inu, like Bitcoin, and some other meme coin projects are replicating peak prices. Guys, take that to count. When we do actually enter the bull market completely, What will that do for Dogelon Mars price? People are so bullish on Dogelon Mars. It's literally trending on social media. There's a whole lot of news articles about it. They're also, Dogelon's doing some sort of giveaway. Join our Discord links below to participate. Join us on Discord for a chance to win a rare one-of-one artwork from special collections. This week, they're hosting a Cosmic Solana auction. Entered some Atlas 3 raffles lately. Time to check your wallet. Look like they're doing some sort of giveaway with art. Curious if you're eligible, and that's a quick snapshot. Guys, I'm so bullish for Dogelon Mars, and I know you guys are too. You guys have been commenting down below. You guys have been showing love on the videos. And guys, we're extremely bullish for Dogelon, and we're extremely bullish for the whole crypto market as a whole. That $1 trillion, guys, if that really does enter the market, it's going to cause crypto to go absolutely ballistic. I'm so bullish, and I know you guys are too. But like always, guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Do you really think we're going to see $1 trillion enter into the Bitcoin market? And do you think that, like just like me, that if $1 trillion does enter, it's going to cause us to have a crypto coin frenzy? I think so, but again, not financial advice. That pretty much up to the video, guys. If you enjoy watching videos like this, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button down below. Until next time, it's your boy Omar. Peace. Cue the dog.